Folks, you are watching ONDARA TV. My name is EZRA ONDARA. We do real estate content on this channel. We do vlogs around Nakuru. Somebody asked, EZRA, what are these vlogs that you usually say vlogs? So, traditionally it used to be blogging, when videos were not there yet, so like writing an article in written format. So it used to be blogging, online. But now when you do a video format, it is known as vlogging, vlog. All right. Now, we also do house hunting in Nakuru and we promote businesses in Nakuru. But now somebody asked, Ezra, do you only operate in Nakuru or you can go elsewhere? Typically, where the job calls, I am ready to go. In Kenya, around the country, and even beyond. I even have a passport. Like today, we are coming live from Ngong. Okay, imagine Ngong, all right, in the sides of Kajiado. So in this real estate segment, we are presenting this home. It is unfinished. The homeowner called me and told me, Ezra, I want you to take a video of my home the way it is. And by the way, as you are watching this video, if you have never commented on any of my videos, comment on this one. Because the homeowner wants to hear your feedback. They want to pick from that feedback and improve things here and there. So kindly comment on this one. So you have seen the compound now through that main door, and we are in the lounge. Okay, so kindly drop a comment on this video. Huyu amesema yeye aogopi mkimuingilia, aogopi mkisema hapa ulifanya hivi, why did you do this, blah blah blah. Yeye amesema bring the comments on. Sawa, bring the feedback. So typically he wants to hear your feedback. So the homeowner asked me to compile this video. Up to this stage, they were thinking of moving in, They were thinking of moving in, but so they wanted something at least before they move in, at this stage. So the home is unfinished, okay? Not completely, but it's like 90% complete. But so they were thinking they can move in and then they do the rest, the 10%, while they are inside. So that is the lounge, okay? With gypsum overhead. I love the tiles, even me, I'm going to give my input actually. So I love the lighting in the, in the entire home. Typically, okay, the lighting in the entire home, in every room, that is something I noticed, which was well done. So that's the lounge, and that space where I'm standing now is the dining area, and on the far end is the kitchen. That's the view of the kitchen from the dining area. So it's an open concept, connected from the lounge, the dining area, and then all the way to the kitchen. So what I really like here is the lighting in the rooms, and the tiles are good. Look at those massive windows, I really love that. And the cladding right there, beneath that breakfast nook is just awesome as well. Okay, so I'm also going to give my input even as we proceed. That's the wash basin in the dining area, and yeah, right there we have entered the kitchen. In the kitchen, I love the combination of black and white. Black for the granite top and a white for the cabinetry. Okay, and there is, enough, like more than enough, plenty of storage, in those cabinetry. So again, that is the view now, going to stretching to the dining area next, and all the way across to the lounge down there. Okay, it's just awesome. So the home is a 5-bedroom, was it 5 or 6? It is a massive home. It's a huge home. So this is one of the bedrooms. And yeah, like I told you, you can see we still have some materials there for construction. That was the paint, iko pale, or rather ndoza paint, ziko pale. So this is one of the bedrooms there. Again, I love the natural lighting in the rooms. As a fan of natural light, if you've been watching my videos, I'm a huge fan of natural light in my spaces, okay, in my interior spaces. So all the bedrooms are en suite. That door goes to the en suite of this bedroom, but we didn't go there. It was not that good looking for presentation. So this is another bedroom as well. Materials ndo hizo, ziko hapo chini. That space on the corner there for the wardrobes. Mafundi pia wameacha viatu zao pale. Well and good. The home is unfinished. Works bado ziko in progress pale. Yeah, so drop a comment.
Hello, my name is Miriam Njuguna from Vasha Furniture. Thank you so much for choosing Vasha. We sell household furniture such as sofa sets, dining tables, coffee tables, zote zenye unataka. As you can see from our shop, tuko nazo on display and they are very beautiful. We have spring cushions, normal cushion, back permanent, zote tuko nazo. We thank you, our customer, for always shopping with us, those who have come and given us good reviews and also referrals. We appreciate so much. Thank you so much, even for our dear customers and everybody who has shopped with Vasha Furnitures. So we are located in Nakuru, behind Westside Mall, along Government Road, just after Nawasco. Utatupata. Our shop is known as Vasha Furnitures, and my number is 0723484511. Feel free to reach out for any questions or any information that you may require. Thank you so much and welcome to Vasha.
All right, thank you, Miriam. So now let's continue. We are going up. So the home is a 2-level, it's a maisonette, but the staircase still continues to the rooftop. It has a rooftop there with a gazebo up there, gazebo or pergola or something of that sort. Ziko pale zote juu. So now, on the first level hapo, first floor, we have this balcony right here. It's a shared balcony, this one, with a pergola again. Yeah, that's how it's looking, from above. That ka space hapo chini, that one. Okay, not the one above, this one here. So yeah, that's how it's looking. And I just walked inside the primary bedroom. This is one of my favorite spaces in that home, and it is huge. When it comes to space, this one is just more than sufficient. It is just so massive, well lit. You can see windows everywhere. There is not a single wall that doesn't have a window, for the primary bedroom. That's how it's looking. The tiles, again, beautiful. Gypsum overhead kule, so I can see sockets mali lights zitaingia, itakuwa fiti when it is complete. So this is the walk-in closet. Okay, so for me, this is the only space I felt is indeed narrow. Yes, it's a walk-in closet, and the way it has been done, the wardrobes are not going to have, doors pale. But I just felt, isn't that space kind of narrow? Ama nyinyi mnaonaje? So mimi, that's the feedback ambayo nimepeana leo. So next to it, this door is now leading us to the clock room. Okay, that's the clock room. It's huge. You can see the toilet seat there. That one has been set. And on the far end there, they are going to have the shower cubicle, and just somewhere they are going to also have a jacuzzi, the one with massage, etc. Actually, the guy was joking with me, telling me that this home ni ya mama. Hii hata si yangu. Hii ni ya mama. Mimi nitajenga yangu. I'm like, what do you mean, man? This entire house, this huge home. How can you just be saying ni ya mama? And then he's saying himi atajenga yake sasa. All right, anyway, we continue. You can see again the lighting in that primary bedroom. There are windows everywhere. So that door takes us out to the balcony of the primary bedroom. Okay, the door iko hapo, but again, that's just the view from the primary bedroom. You see the neighborhood kule. You can see my car mali nilikuwa nimepark pale. Now we are out through that door to the balcony. Again, it also has a pergola. This is a private balcony for the primary bedroom. Sasa wale wakuniambia, Ezra, naweza pata hiyo plan. Jameni, wachananga na plans za watu wengine. Plans of somebody else, they are custom made to their, to their liking, and also they are made to fit into that environment. So it may not fit in your environment. Sawa sawa. Considering other factors such as the landscape, the elevation, sunset, sunrise, vitu kama hizo, unaona. Exact. So this is another bedroom. I love the wardrobes here, in this bedroom. So you can see the wardrobes in this bedroom at least ziko na milango. Now za primary bedroom, they won't be having those. And I told you all the bedrooms are en suite. So the faucets there, so far, good quality with the telephone showers as well. Okay, throughout the entire home, itakuwa tu hivo. Okay, so that is good. Great choice of faucets hapo. So this is another space, you know, on first floor again. So this one is not a bedroom. This is a common space, or even a home office, you know, right there in the center, you know, in the middle, somewhere in the middle of on first floor, you know, on one wing. So, and it even comes with a toilet space hapo. Okay, so mtu akiwa hapo kwa ofisi yake ya home, well, akijisikia kujisaidia, si ati tena anatoka aende huko. So whether they'll set up an office or just a family room, they'll decide. This is another bedroom again. Angalia tu windows, angalia tiles, angalia paint. So the final paint though haikuwa imewekwa, but still the space just looks awesome. You know, it will turn out to be awesome. The gypsum, naona they went for a simplistic design. Yeah, minimalistic in a way. Hakuna kuweka madoido mingi, zi patterns and what have you. So the wardrobes in this bedroom, again, I love them. I kind of love the wardrobes in the other bedrooms, you know, as opposed to the ones in the primary bedroom. I kind of like my wardrobes closed, you know, like zikuwe tu na doors pale, you know, not zikuwe tu open evil. I don't know about you, you know, you guys can also let me know in the comments. But the primary bedroom zilieko hivyo because, well, that space the way design is kind of narrow for me. Anyway, so this is another ensuite bathroom for the bedroom that we were looking at. Then we are out of that bedroom. Now that corridor, you know, all over. So a door on this side to a bedroom, another bedroom. I think was it a 6-bedroom or 5-bedroom? It's a massive home. I think it's a 5-bedroom. Wait, chini kuna bedroom mbili, juu 1, 2, 3. Whoa, it's like 6-bedroom actually, plus that office space. Kama nimesahau pia mwenyewe, I'm sure atacorrect tu hapo chini. Ataniambia no, Ezra, umesahau. Anyway, the home was too big. The home is massive. It's huge. So yeah, that staircase again, it takes us now all the way up to the flat roof. But right here, it's not just an open flat roof. Okay, we have here, we are right there under the pergola, you know, a huge pergola. Now on top of those tumbao tunakuanga hapo kwa pergola, okay, the one overhead, juu yake tuko na solar panels pale. Okay, just awesome. So in case stima imepotea, this home will still continue running, appliances will continue running, you know, entertainment will keep on. No stopping entertainment. What were those guys doing down there? No, I think ilikuwa like ni masaa ya lunch, so walikuwa wameenda break, wakaenda kutulia pale. Well and good. So like I'm saying, the home iko na solar panels hapo juu, so come rain or shine, huku the party must go on. And there is now the open space ambapo wateka their laundry area. Yeah, now, yeah, that's how it's looking from above. You can see the solar panels hapo. Nakwambia hapo, I'm telling you, hey, come rain or shine, the party will go on. Sawa sawa. So yeah, that is a huge, spacious rooftop pale, you know. So you can see open spaces on either side of those solar panels of that pergola. So like ilikuwa multifunctional in a way. Ikue pergola na bado ikue space ya kuweka hapo solar panels, yeah? So now we are going down. Another thing I liked, even on the staircase hapo, you know, where now it cuts a corner, bado pale kuna dirisha, you know. So this home naturally, you know, typically it is well lit all over. Look, you know, look at those windows pale, you know, hapo tu kwa staircase. Instead of leaving it, you know, just a wall all the way up, no, you make use of it. So now we are going out again, and yeah, na hivyo ndo tulifinish our house tour. So the guy was joking to me that you know, wamejenga hii nyumba for some time now, they are even tired of waiting, they just wanted to move in, but yeah, 50-50. So akasema let Ezra come at least tukue tu na picha of how our home ilikuwa before tuingie. You can see even on the compound there, they are here to do the cabros. So some family members walikuwa like, sasa tutakuja kuishi kwa hii matope jameni. But mambo na ujenzi, if there's something I've learned about construction, it can take a toll on you, a toll on your time, a toll on your head, a toll on, it can be stressful. So sometimes unafika tu mahali unasema, bwana wacha tuingie bana, hizo vitu zingine tutamalizia mbele. Unlike trying to be, to make it perfect and then you move in. Another thing I notice is that this home, it doesn't look out of place, looking at the neighborhood, looking at our main home hapo, and then look at the other homes around it, you can see the guys are in good company pale, even on the other side there are bungalows, on the other side some bungalows, so you can see like they are not out of place, however there are these homes ambapo mtu anaenda anajenga mahali huko peke yake ako tu, like you look around in the surrounding, you see nothing, so this one at least, and by the way it is inside a gated controlled development community. That's why you are seeing everybody else is doing mansionettes only, maisonettes only hapo ndo ziko hapo. Is it mansions, maisonette, masonette, whichever. Hapo pia mnaweza ni correct pia mimi. Hata mimi siogopi mkini correct. Sawa sawa. Exactly. So make sure uliacha comment pale. The guy wants to pick from your feedback. Kama kuna mali unaona alifanya mbaya, mwambie hapo. Kama kuna mali amefanya fiti, pongeza yeye. Kama mimi nampongeza for the design, for the rooftop pale, for the natural lighting in the rooms, the tile work, the cabinetries, the space in the rooms, all the rooms in this home, they're just awesome. They are massive, okay, not excessively massive, but enough, in your bedroom, you need a space ambayo kuna bed pale imeekwa, and you also need some space, hata unaweza kata workstation, like you can move around, sindio? Yeah, what else nili notice pale? So okay, in the kitchen, enough cabinetry pale, well done. And it even has a pantry, by the way. There's a an SQ actually, which we didn't go to. It had construction materials pale. So for me, the only thing I've negged is that walk-in closet in the primary bedroom. I don't know, I just felt that the space is kind of narrow. Yeah, ni hiyo tu. So what about you? Drop a comment and let this guy pick up from there. And maybe now when he finishes completely, if I get a chance, he can call me to go and do now if the final house tour, even probably the home being furnished. All right, so that is what I call real estate videography. Some people asked, Ezra, hii real estate videography inamaanisha nini? Let's say uko na nyumba kama hii umejenga, uko na shamba mahali you want to develop, uko na ongoing project, uko na apartment mahali umejenga, you are away, you want to see the progress pale. Mimi, I will go to every room because you need to see all the details. It's very important so that when you come back, usikuje kupigwa na butwa, ati hapa sasa kulienda aje. It's better, as the guys on the ground progress, you too, where they are. Wakipiga slab, unaniambia Ezra, enda sasa nipige hiyo slab, nataka kuona hiyo slab inakaa namna gani. Mimi nakuchukulia details zote vizuri na compile movie na kutumia. Si ndio? Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much. So you can always call me for real estate videography for your projects. Thank you. See you in the next one.